Transforming images with Python, rotate and flip. Welcome to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're diving into the world of image processing with Python. We'll learn how to rotate and flip images using simple yet powerful code examples. First things first, let's set up our environment. We'll be using the PIL library, also known as Pillow. Make sure you have it installed using pip install pillow. Let's get started. Load your image like this. Make sure your image file is in the same directory as your Python script, or provide the correct path. Rotating an image is straightforward. Use the rotate method. Here, we'll rotate our image by 90 degrees. Now, let's flip the image. We can flip it horizontally or vertically. Here's how you do both. After transforming your image, you might want to save it. Here's how you can save the rotated and flipped images. And there you have it. Simple Python scripts to rotate and flip your images. Experiment with different angles and flipping modes to see what you can create. Happy coding!